Angela and I are leaving for an airplane to go to Toronto in like 10 minutes. David, George, you got your orders in just under the wire. Everyone else, if you put an order in the next couple days, it's gonna be a little bit, just a little.
I love you. No.
We'll see you in a couple days.
I don't know where we're going.
There's Wi-Fi on this plane. That flight, uneventful, but you know like the hot, sweaty, like spits that you get when you feel sick and you're probably gonna puke? That for the first like 15 minutes. The guy ahead of me to like the left decided he was gonna watch horror movies. I don't deal well with horror movies. I don't think horror movies should even be an option on the back of airplane headrests. What are you doing? He was just watching me sweat. I was like, why are you so sweaty? Like enough that one of the other passengers like raised their hand and was like, excuse me, can we get some help for this guy? I was fine after that. Right there is good. Right there is good. Hi, Joel.
Hi.
How the heck are you? I think the main question for coming to Toronto, seeing as I haven't been here in a long time, is, has the cargo bike weave held up?
Sure has.
And it really has. People sitting on it, stuff going on it. Bolts aren't even rusty because they're obviously stainless steel. Good work on our part. I hand sewed some of it. Hey, it came out.
Not seized. Well, boy, that's great news.
Yo, stick the red almost matches the bottle case.
The
Albion where they flew in the Green Monster?
It's just one hill.
oh no, we went right up into the seat. It's been like almost 2 years since I've been able to travel outside of the Atlantic bubble. Now we're in Toronto, gonna ride the Don Valley. The last time I was here, I was riding my friend Meg's Santa Cruz something. I had the sag completely wrong. Everything was wrong, really. This time, riding Brent's girlfriend Elise's Norco Fluid. We've got much more air in the shock this time. I'm thinking it's gonna be a better go. These are also Brent's glasses, Joel's helmet. Feeling like a beginner who's borrowing friend stuff right now. Before we get started, I just want to address the size of these bars. It's a good burger. Oh man, that sounds like a crash. Well, that's a good berm. Yep. Is that from crashing? Nope. What's it from?
Just grazing a tree. They're pretty wide.
Oh. Just a quick off-road there.
Oh yeah, that bike definitely looks a little small for you here.
It's small. I know it's small.
Yeah.
But it's so fun when we're going down stuff. It's easier to throw around.
Yeah, really?
It's just tiny. It's like a...
Fix that? Whoa! Yo, get that one blonde mustache hair in there.
I think I got it.
Okay.
The Dawn's in really good shape today. You should go ride it. The seat's too low. I keep getting dropped.